Good morning, children. Today I am going to take class 2, semester 1, subject EVS, lesson number 10, occupations. What do you mean by occupations? Means a job or professions. When you are doing some occupations means what? A job or profession. Shall we start? Work is an important part of life. See, work is a very important in our part of life. Okay, it was very important in our life. All of us need to work to keep ourselves busy. See, all of us, what they will do, they want to need busy means what they will do, as they need to work to keep ourselves very busy. Work done to earn money is called an occupation. What do you mean that? Work is very important in a part of our life and we have to do to earn money. Work we have to do to earn money is called an occupation. See, you won't need something means you have to earn money, right? So, this is called an occupation. Different people do different kinds of jobs. What they will do? Different people do different kinds of jobs. Let me see what kinds of jobs are there to earn money. Some people sell things. What they will sell the things? Let me see what are they. Can you see this picture? What is this? A chemist sells medicine. See, what is this? A chemist sells medicine. You will get medicines, right? You want a chemist shop. What they are doing? They sells the medicine. Which shop is this? Can you see this picture? Stationery. A stationer sells stationery. We get all those things. What do you need? Stationery means all the bangles, books, right? In stationery, we get all those things. Stationery things. We have to go like this shop. See, this is the chemist shop. This is the stationery. Okay. A green grocery sells vegetables. Can you see this picture? Green grocery means vegetables. They sell the vegetables. Have you seen your market? One man or lady will stand there and they will sell the vegetables. What we call them? Green grocer. To sell the vegetables. What is this? Can you see this picture? Cloth. A cloth merchant sells cloth. When you go to the shops, they're standing and they're showing the clothes, right? Which variety clothes you want, which lehenga you want, which t-shirt you want, right? A cloth merchant sells a cloth. Who is he? What they're doing? Which cans is this? Milk can. What we'll call for? What we call for the milkman. A milkman sells milk. Okay. In the early morning, you want to drink the milk means what? The milkman will sells the milk. See, some people sells all those things. What are they? The chemist sells the medicines. The stationery sells the stationery. Okay, a green grocery sells vegetables, a cloth merchant sells cloth, a milkman sells milk. These are the some people sells their things. Already, I think you have seen in the shops when you are going, right? Some people repair things. Some people repair things. Anything you will get. Anything you got a repair means you call them, right? What they things repair things means? Let me see. A cobbler mends our shoes. See, when your shoes or chappal will cut off means where will go? Cobbler. What he will do? He mends our shoes, right? What he is doing? Can you see this picture? A mechanic. What we'll call them? Mechanic. Any bike, car will get puncture and all. Any problem will get means where will go for mechanic will go. What they will do? A mechanic repairs vehicles. Right? They are doing mechanic repairs for vehicles. What we call them? Mechanic. Can you see this picture? What he is doing? He's doing a plumber, man. What we call them? Plumber. A plumber repairs leaking taps and pipes. Have you seen at home? Right. Wow, when leakage will get the pipes and all, who will call? Plumber only. Plumber repairs the leaking taps and pipes. See, some people repair things like this. What we call them? Cobbler, mechanic and plumber. Have you understand? See, different people's different works are there to earn the money. Some people make things. See, some people will repair, some people make things. What they will make things? Shall we start? What is this? Bakery. Have you seen a bakery? Right. A baker makes breads and biscuits. What they will do? A baker makes breads and biscuits. What he is doing? He is a tailor, right? They will stitch us the clothes. A tailor stitches the clothes. What he is doing? He is a carpenter. What we call them? Carpenter. What carpenter will do? Doors, cupboards, chairs, teapot, tables and all. Right, in wooden. What we'll call them? A carpenter makes furnitures. Have you seen at home? Who will make the furnitures? You have furnitures at home, right? Who will make? A carpenter makes furniture. See, some people makes the things, means what they will call them. A baker makes breads and biscuits, and a tailor stitches the clothes, right? We want the dress, lehengas and all. Who will stitch us? Tailor. Tailor will stitch us the clothes. We want furniture, study table, sofa and all. Who will make? Carpenter. We call them carpenter. Have you understand? Some people are called professionals. Some people are called very professionals, for whom we will call the professionals. Can you see this picture? Who's this? Right. A doctor treats sick people. What? The doctor treats sick people. This we call for them professionals. Okay. A teacher teaches the students. What we call them, sir? Right. A teacher. Right. He's the teachers. They are professionals. An engineer makes roads, buildings and etc. An engineer, what they will do? They makes roads and buildings. Who will make the roads and buildings? Who will make the plans and all? Engineers, they will make the plans to build the buildings and etc. Okay. A lawyer studies law. Who will do this legal issues and all? Who will clear our solve the problems, legal issues and all? A lawyer studies law. This we will call them. These peoples, what we call them? They are called as professionals. Right? They are called for them professionals. Have you understand? Can you rearrange the letters to name these people? See, you have to rearrange these letters to these peoples. You have to do by yourself. I hope you are understand this. Okay, some peoples make things. They call them baker, tailor, carpenter. These are professionals, doctors, teachers, engineer, lawyer and etc. What we call them? Professionals. Understand? Thank you. Bye bye.